welcome back to Mighty Little Green Machine. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a new chainsaw I purchased. I've been watching a lot of videos about tree climbing and cutting, and I've decided that I want to try it. So I've ordered, or I already have, and I ordered all of the harness and the flip line and safety harnesses and helmets and all that stuff, spikes. I haven't had a chance to try it yet because I've been so busy, but I'm gonna need a smaller saw if I'm gonna do that. So this is the Neotec NCS 2500. It's a 25cc clone saw. If you remember, my other one is a Farm Tech, so these two companies kind of compete. I couldn't find the Farm Tech. Now, I bought this from my same local guy that I bought the other one, so I did pay a little more than you can get it for on the internet. You can get these for about $150. I paid $200, but he set it all up, he tuned it, he ran it, and he'll stand behind it for me. And so I didn't mind paying the $50 extra. So it's got your gas and your oil. The only thing that you got to be careful of is they're right close together and they look exactly the same. So you just got to make sure that you put oil in the oil and gas in the gas. It has a 14-inch bar. It's got your loop for strapping it off and climbing it. Obviously your regular old brake. So this saw cuts pretty good. I got to cut up a couple of some limbs off of the trees that I cut down below to get my trailer in. So I thought this would be a good time to show you the saw and a good time to try it. I've cut a little bit of wood with it, and so far I've been super happy with it. You know, for what I paid for it. I don't need an expensive saw. God knows that I may try and climb once and never climb again, but we'll see. And don't worry, you'll get to watch that fiasco too. So that's this saw. So far I have no complaints about it. It starts right up, it runs good. I'll show you that in a minute when we go down below. And when I cut up some brush so I can get my trailer put away. So let me get my chaps on and we'll head down below. I'm gonna cut up some of this brush here. I was gonna cut it all up. I didn't realize how much was here, but I'll leave the trailer where it sits right now. But let's show you how this saw works. Ah! chain came off. Brand new saw, so it's stretched. I should have been paying more attention. But you can see this little thing rips. So, I mean, it's not designed to cut big wood, and if you bear down on it, you will stop it. But it's more, you know, it's for cutting branches and stuff as you're climbing a tree. So, for now, I'm pretty happy with it. We'll see what happens after I put some more tanks of fuel through it. So, thanks for watching today. I do appreciate your support. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.